Hey traders, welcome to the daily recap for September 27, 2022. Let's take a look at what we did today, what happened, what's basically been the kind of the theme of the market lately as well. Market obviously came in again today, closed near the lows. Let's go back to the SPY here. And, we didn't quite get too far under last day's low. They tried to retest it, hold that area. We're still kind of stuck in this weekly range, but it is a bearish looking chart from an hourly perspective and on a daily perspective. It is technically a bearish engulfing because we did break slightly last day's high, and that candle closed, creating a bearish engulfing candle. No extensions to the downside on the daily. Weekly is extended to the downside into that double bottom area, and that double bottom area is, yes, indeed, still intact. So big levels to be keeping an eye on the next couple days. If you guys didn't notice today, SMH was holding the market up. I tweeted it out 1,000 times, I swear. But that's the key to the market right now is SMH. Semiconductors breakdown. They're going to take the whole entire market with it, looks like. So we'll see what happens in that regard. A couple highlights today, or I'll just go through the trades that we did. A couple different things. Tesla long this morning, 4 points. mRNA long for 2 points. DE long for 2 points. NVIDIA long for 1 point. ATXI long for 1 point this morning. We got back into it in the afternoon. Got stopped out of the starter there. UPST long for 90 cents. We tried this BIAF long as well this morning. That didn't work. We just had to take it off. Basically, it was a flat trade. Didn't really go anywhere. And then we also tried some Adobe. Obviously, that we tried it short. Didn't necessarily break down in the afternoon, and we ended up taking off, and then taking it off when the market started to push back up, and ended up being the right decision. We traded SPX a lot today. Options, we swung some Costco, 480 to 490 calls that we had on for a credit yesterday at 5 cents, and it went up 10,700%, so pretty big move there. When you put on credits after you have a long position on, you end up selling something against it at a later date, the percentages get pretty skewed to the upside or the downside because you have literally no risk on and you're below zero holding a position. So anything above that's obviously going to be going up quite substantially, just so you guys are aware. SPX, we also had intraday. We took some 36.25 puts. Those went up over 100%, and then we sold 36.15 puts against it. That ended up going 3,900% on that credit spread, or not credit spread, on that debit spread that we turned into a credit. Same concept there. We had some SPY 360 puts, 126% there. Walmart 133 puts or calls overnight for 124%. SPX 3610 puts intraday as well for 100%. Beth had some Apple 146 puts on there for 105%. We took some SPY or SPX calls at the end of the day, 3670s, 3660s. We trade the SPX like it's water, guys. We trade it nonstop all day. So if you guys want to look at the trading log, you can do so. I post it every single day, but we had the 3675 calls. Those ended up going 32%, 3670s. We traded those, ended up actually exiting those, getting back to 3660s at the end of the day, and ended up getting around 92% on those. And then you can kind of see all the other trades there. There's too many SPX trades to kind of go through them all, but most of them worked, which was great. The spreads worked extremely well. And then a couple things that didn't work, we tried some Roku calls. Those ended up not working. Airbnb ended up not working. We had some NVIDIA calls on, which worked for a decent percent, like 30% this morning. UPS calls for 50%, the 170s. ABBV for 40%. And that's pretty much it. Coin for 34%. There's a couple, smaller percentage movers this morning, but not that notable. Anyways, guys, that's it. If you guys want to come trade with us, you can certainly do so. Go to SpartanTrading.com, get access to the live stream, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. every single day. You get access to all the moderators, tons of different information. We got the money flow going all day, where the money is rotating into. Institutional money, that's what we're looking at all day. Options flow, all that good stuff, whatever's notable, we're on it. And especially with news as well, we're watching everything that goes around from a macro perspective because, we like to look and trade the market and the rotation. So individual names as well in the small caps, we're all over, basically anything that's moving. Momentum is our game. Anyways, guys, you want to come trade with us, you can do so. SpartanTrading.com. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Free Discord link in this description of the video. Any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a good one, and enjoy the rest of your day.